What is the internet?
Simply put, the internet is a computer network system that connects the world.
What is something else moved along its lines? What is something else moved along its lines?
Talk and money is moved back and forth along its lines.
Right. Okay. Then if you cut the line and wait it, and wait, then you can get money.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Yes.
Who made the internet?
USA's military planners.
Mm-hmm.
They made internet.
Right. So did you know the internet was so old?
No.
Okay, it is very old. Would the internet still work even if it had some holes in it?
Yes, the internet will still work even if it had a few holes in it.
What have those original computers become?
Original computers in Santa Barbara, Berkeley, Los Angeles, and Salt Lake City that were linked in 1969 have now become a monster-sized net with untold millions of computer hosts.
Next page. How is every city in the world linked?
Every city in the world is now linked to every other city in the world through the internet.
Why is the structure of the internet such a great bargain?
Since every computer that is a member of the internet has to be maintained by the owner of that computer, there is no cost to the government or to the taxpayers.
Does the internet change users by distance or how long it is used?
No.
No, it doesn't. Right?
No, it doesn't. Yes.
What will the internet do to television and phone systems?
The internet can and will replace both of the other systems completely and will still be cheaper than either of them.
Okay, next page. What is the first public use of the internet?
The first public use of the internet was as a replacement for the slow, old-fashioned mail system.
Okay. What is growing more and more important on the internet?
Both stock market trading and banking are growing more and more important on the internet.
How can people shop with the internet?
Instead of browsing at a local shopping mall, people can visit virtual shopping malls that give them wider selections and lower prices than real shopping malls.
Right. Next page. What can the shopping engines do?
They search for the lowest price.
What can people in France buy?
People in France can buy Mexican handicrafts from a company in Spain via the internet, for example, and this saves time and transportation costs.
Right. What does Soho mean?
It means small office, home office.
What is a Soho business?
Soho uses the internet. Instead of renting an office in an expensive building, they still have to pay rent on the internet, but the fees are much less.
Next page. What impact will more people working at home have?
When people work over the internet from their homes instead of from offices, there will be fewer people driving to work. This means less pollution and fewer traffic jams.
Where can people live if they work via the internet?
Many people will do all their work via the internet, allowing them to live anywhere they want, even on a tropical island.
What things have gone online? What things have gone online?
Dictionaries, encyclopedias, even picture books like the National Geographic have all gone online.
What is it becoming necessary for school to have?
It is becoming more and more necessary for them to have a PC with an internet connection.
Next page. How do you start to use a search engine?
Some people begin with one of the many search engines and just type in a phrase or a keyword.
What is a portal site?
It is a site that has a lot of information already organized in categories.
How can you meet people on the internet?
You can meet people in chat rooms or in discussion groups, which are based on some kind of interest, such as movies or music, that people have in common.
What is a homepage?
A homepage is another way for people to use the internet. A homepage tells something about ourselves and things that we want others to know or discover.
Next page. What is etiquette?
Etiquette is the set of rules that help people to live together in society without fighting or hurting each other's feelings.
Then what is netiquette?
Netiquette or internet etiquette is designed to do the same thing for an even larger society.
Why is netiquette important?
Eventually, most human beings will be connected by the internet, so we really need to follow some rules so that we do not hurt or offend each other.
Okay, next page. Now there's one more question. Why shouldn't you write in all capital letters?
Because that is like shouting.
Okay, page 20. What will happen as computers and other electronic devices get smaller?
Then internet will expand to include every aspect of life.
Are many people addicted to surfing?
Yes, many people are addicted to surfing. So they spend too much time in front of the computer screen and damage their eyes and brains.
Okay. How can we idly use the internet?
Idly, we are moderate in using the internet as in other things. Both our minds and our bodies will be healthy.
Right.